I have been watching a ton of Harry Potter lately, and I keep seeing owls everywhere, so they're just stuck in my brain. So I thought it would be time to do some owl nail stamping. We are going to do reverse stamping for these, so I am going to go ahead and pick up the background images first so they can start to dry. You do need to make sure your outlines are very dry because as you put new polish on top, it re-wets them. So you need to be very careful and make sure they're dry so that they don't smear. I still struggle with this sometimes too. You get in a hurry and you're like, I just want it done. I have also noticed on some bigger designs and designs that have very, kind of flat or sharp edges, sometimes it's easier to just very thinly, thin, with the brush and the polish, use that to apply it, even instead of the little tiny nail art brush, especially if you have a lot of space to fill in. Now on this one, these owls are smaller, so I need the smaller brush for it. It makes more sense. But I am starting to get the hang of just using the bottle brush quite a bit. So if that's something that you're a little frustrated with, you might try that out. The base color, the whitish color I'm using, by the way, is Coconut. The brown color is Latte. Those are both from Maniology. Coconut is my favorite white. Even though it's custardy colored, it always looks white. And it's very opaque. It stamps very nicely over darker colors. I really like that one. If you've watched my channel at all, I'm pretty sure you already know that. But in case you're new here, I have a small addiction to coconut and spiced orange. Just saying. I was actually talking to a customer on the phone the other day about addictions, and they said something, and I was like, mine's nail polish. I have a room for nail polish. And they went, whatever. Like they didn't believe me. Well, we know better, don't we? The base color I'm using here, I believe, is Shock Candy from Sinful Colors. I completely forgot to write the colors down when I did this manicure. So I am just going to go through now. I've done 2 coats of Shock Candy and a top coat. I always do a top coat in between because if you have a mistake, sometimes you can kind of wipe it off with a little acetone. And to go ahead here, I kind of wrinkled the polish underneath a little bit, got in a little hurry, but I was able... This trick I learned from Kelly Marissa. You lick your finger and you can kind of pat it back into place. I know it sounds gross, but it totally works. This is, I think, the sugar top coat from Maniology. I really hate the formula they did on those. Like, I can't tell you how much I hate the formula on those. They're horrible. One of them stinks to, oh my God, it smells horrible. And then the formula is just thick and gloopy. I don't know. I just don't like those top coats. They could have done a much better job with that. But look at these little owls. Are they not the cutest? I'm obsessed with them. Really and truly. And overall, I like how the Mani came out, even though I hate that stupid top coat. It looks pretty, but everything else about it's horrible. Let me know what you think below. If you have any questions, any requests, and if you would like to watch another video, just go ahead and click in the upper right hand corner now, and it should be available for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here and spending your time with me. Bye-bye.